Listen, honey, I think at this point I'm just gonna start calling Akbar V, Batista, John Cena, or any other WWE character because I'm tired of reporting on Akbar and all the 100 people that she wants to fight in this life. Hello, tea lovers, welcome to the tea plug. And if you're returning, welcome back to the plug that keeps on oozing tea on a daily basis right into your cup. Now, it seems like Akbar V, each and every week, she is in a fight with somebody and she has a tendency of just inserting herself in each and every feud that goes on the internet. Now, it's no secret that Tiny Harris and her ex-bestie Shekinah, had a little something going on the internet where Shekinah was basically airing out Tiny's dirty laundry, and people were kind of giving her the side eye, like, if you're a friend and you were doing stuff together with your friend, even if you're no longer friends, it's the right thing to just not air somebody's dirty laundry out there because it's just not cool. I mean, if somebody told you something in confidence, I feel like it doesn't have integrity for you to now go ahead and try and use that information against that person. So yeah, Shekinah was already getting the side eye from people. She went on, started talking about Bernice Boogers, that entire situation that happened between T.I. and Bernice. I mean, we all knew that, so it's not like she was really breaking new news or anything like that. This has been around for quite some time. We've been knew that, the two of them had a thing going on in the past. And so for her to come online and already bash Tiny Harris and T.I. and all that, I mean, that was not necessary. But then again, I didn't report on this entire situation because these people used to be best friends, and when it's best friends and close relationships involved like that, we can't run with one side of the story, you know what I'm saying? So I was just like, I don't know what's up with the dynamics of their entire relationship. So I just let it go. However, my good sis Akbar decided to insert herself in that entire situation, claiming that she wanted to actually go ahead and, and deal with Shekinah, physically. That's what she said. And the reason why she said that is because she claims that Shekinah influenced some blogs to post about herself and her children, and that she now wants to get involved. And she was basically asking Tiny to allow her to put her hands on Shekinah, and she was also saying that Shekinah went to Tiny and tried to twist what she said to make it fit what and all that nonsense. And I'm just like, Akbar, it's okay to not be involved in each and every feud that goes on the internet. Like, it's totally fine. It's not every fight that you need to involve yourself in. You know what I'm saying? At this point, like, what saddens me actually about Akbar is I feel like as a rapper, she's actually very amazing. Her pen game is so tight. She's good at what she does. However, I feel like all this drama overshadows her talent. All right, she's talented and we're not going to deny that, but this entire situation where she's just in every drama on the internet, people now know her more for her drama than her music, and that's not a cool thing. That's not a good look for her because she's really a dope rapper. She's a dope rapper, and I just wish she could do better and sometimes let some stuff slide and just excuse herself from drama so that people can actually know her for her music. However, as you know, here on the Tea Plug, we would like to know each and everyone's opinion, so do hop into the comment section and let me know what you think about this entire situation. Do you also, like me, think that Akbar is just, she just likes drama and it's not a good look for her? Or do you think that she has every right to insert herself in drama like this? And do you also think that it's doing more harm than good for her career? Or do you think that, it's still cool? So do hop into the comment section and let me know what you think about that entire situation. Now, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for making it this far. If you haven't already, baby, what is you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and do turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time that I post each and every single day, and I keep you updated on what is happening in the celebrity world on Instagram, on Twitter, and about all things trending. Now, that's it from me, and until my next one, see you.